with his parents, Angeline Narcena de los Santos and Mr. Sigfred Nacario Gonzalez. Please welcome the Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Mathematics, Penosa Edna Plopino. Antonio Marca and Mr. Edgardo Leron Magnay.
Init. Parang init.
Bachelor of Secondary Education, also major in Mathematics, Regidor RG Federico, with his parents Feby Romulo Federico and Mr. Lizardo Parale Regidor. Lastly, Rojo Christine Joy Sartorio, with her parents Mrs. G. Basa Sartorio and Mr. Eddie Heli Rojo.
Ay, ba? Init.
Let us also welcome the Kapalonga College faculty, teaching and non-teaching staff. Board of Trustees, Dean of College of Agriculture, Dean of College of Education, together with our college president, Mr. Arturo Quioritira, and our guest speaker for today, Mr. Johnson Caparos.
Pangalan yung Carabidyo. Ayan, bakit lang? Walang mayakap na magulang. Nagayakap pa na yung mga magulang nila habang kami wala. Di ba ako naiiyak, pare? Palibas strong na ako. Ayan, nagiging pa na sila sa mga magulang nila, kami hindi.
Pinauwi-uwi mo? Yakapin pa ako!
Hindi ako naiiyak, wala si mother. Wala na.